work from home family, welcome back to another amazing video. I've got a couple of remote jobs for you today. So this company here called Umbrel is currently recruiting remote workers from all over the world. They're looking for customer support, non-technical, lead marketing manager. They actually have a lot of roles open now in engineering, design, marketing, and customer support. And they have a bonus one for my UK, Europe, and US audience. So if you're interested in working remotely, you need to watch this video so you can send the application. Also, I'll be leaving the links to these jobs in the description. Feel free to use the links. But before we do, please subscribe to the channel. This is my new channel. Let's grow it together. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And let me know the role you're looking for so that in my next video, I'll cover that. Okay, let's get started. The company is called Umbrel and the website is umbrel.com. You want to go to their careers page to find these roles. I've specifically selected a few for you. I've selected lead marketing manager, customer support, technical support, and non-technical support. So the first one is this one, customer support. It is non-technical. Okay, in this role you will support their users across all online channels like email, Discord, website, chat, forums, social medias, etc. for non-technical issues such as Umbrel home order related queries. Work with their logistics and fulfillment team to resolve order shipping issues. Help with various non-technical tasks such as order modifications, returns, replacements, and repairs. Create how-tos, guides, wikis, knowledge base, etc. for recurring questions. They hope to support you. So you need to have great written communication skills, light talking to users, and are willing to constantly do so without external encouragement. You need to be able to empathize with users and genuinely care about their problems. They can't exist without them. So to apply for this one, click on apply for this job or click here. This is the application form here. You go through, upload your CV to auto-fill your information, then choose your location, enter your country or wherever you are to select your location. If you have these, if you have Twitter, LinkedIn, it is optional. If you have a website, it is optional. And then you tell them why you want to join them. This is the application form here, you submit. The second one is this one, lead marketing manager. They believe the best products spread through word of mouth of their users. And they are lucky to have a passionate and loving community of thousands of users who have voluntarily helped each other out. Write tutorials, create videos, and get creative in many surprising ways. Their communication style is very friendly, transparent, casual, witty, but respectful with their users. That is anti-corporate lingo. Ideally, they're looking for somebody to do all the following tasks, but if you're only interested in one of them, like just sheet posting memes on their Twitter or a few of them, example tutorial videos, paid ads, content, that's okay too. So you're going to basically be posting videos because this is the marketing department, okay? In this role, you will run external communications on all their socials, create marketing campaigns and paid ads, stay on top of their SEO, identify new content opportunities, work with influencers, reviewers for Umbrel iOS and Umbrel home reviews. You manage community across their Discord, community forum and Reddit, sheet posts on their X Twitter, exhibit ABCDE, also not sheet post on their Twitter, exhibit ABCDE. You're going to be able to collaborate with their team to create engaging content such as how-tos, tutorials, and guides. Write blog posts and press releases. Come up with new ideas. You run the show. So the same application process is the same as the first one I showed you. Go ahead and fill in the same information and apply. This is a bonus one for my US, UK, and Europe audience. This company called MedCenter, AI medical assistant, is currently recruiting in multiple positions. They are recruiting in engineering, operations, sales, support. They are looking for senior software engineer. This position is based in New York. and Toronto. It is full-time hybrid. For operations, they're looking for implementation specialist. Operations, remote, US or Canada. It is full-time. For sales, they are looking for sales development representative, SDR. It is remote for US or Canada, New York and Toronto. For support, they're looking for customer support specialist, support, remote, US or Canada. So feel free to check them out. This one as well is from Synthesia. They're also looking for people from UK, Europe, US, and I didn't see Canada, but yeah, they have in Paris, UK, that is London, Germany, New York, in multiple locations. Okay, so feel free to come here if you're based in this location that I mentioned. Come here. They're looking for strategic customer success manager, US remote, knowledge and enablement specialist, UK remote, delivery program manager, UK remote, digital designer, Europe. So feel free to check them out and see if it works for you. Okay, you never can tell. Feel free to check. They still have an engineering, marketing, operations, product, and so on. Okay, I'm not going to read all of them. Staff research engineer, video posting training for Europe, senior research engineer data, Europe, IT systems and support engineer, London, strategic account executive, German speaking, Germany, strategic account executive, New York City. So feel free. The name is synthesia.io. Link will be in the description. Any video I share here, I always make sure that I leave the link in the description. Feel free to check the description box, get the link, the direct link to the jobs, apply. Okay, and keep me updated. I like hearing good news in the comment section. Let me know the type of job you're looking for so that in my next video I'll cover that. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I wish you all success in your applications, and please subscribe to the channel, like, comment and share. I'll see you in the next one.